Hello everyone, with Lance Fans of Gaming. This is July Part 2 for 2024 STL Patreon files that we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer Proxy, figures, and so forth for your 3D printed needs and your tabletop gaming needs as well. Please subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Please check out our Discord and Patreon down below. And also, if you do, and also everything we'll be looking at will be down in the description below for the links for these files. We'll be looking at RN Studio. This is like a mixture of fantasy, anime, and so forth as well. This is going to be the release. We got some Miss Kobayashi Dragon Maid. Yeah, it took me a while uh, to to grab my head. It's been a while. I watched season 2 of it. Classic JRPG. We've got some Dragon Quest as well, and also I think this is Pie from Dragon Quest. I think these are all from Dragon Quest actually. We got and we got Cyberpunk. For your Cyberpunk needs, I guess. I don't know what these are from. I don't think they're actually from the Cyberpunk, the animated or the video game. But you probably have a better idea than I do. So for it. So yeah, check out RN Studio. Next is Rescale Miniature, also known as Lord of Prince. They should have January already out. I think we'll look at the videos for these without sound. So we got some tree folk or blights. Looks like it. They look like blights to me. For it. Well, we have some woodland folks. I will say that looks pretty damn cool. Yeah, I think they're just basic tree folk. They're that big. They're tree folks. The blights are a lot smaller. For it. So these are cool looking tree folks that we're getting. I'm trying to skip a little bit through. We got some magic caster, probably druidic type of tree folk as well. Actually, you can probably use some of these for your Age of Sigmar stuff. For your replace some of the tree folk with some of these guys. You might have to rescale to size. You got some tree folk riding on some insect beetles. That looks fucking. I don't know how big this sucker's gonna be. Oh, I think it's gonna be huge. My God, I don't think I have space for this in my closet, even though if I fix it up. Okay, we got some more. Holy shit. Looks like I got some female ones too, with boobas coming out. These are a lot of different variation of tree folks. For they look freaking awesome though. Holy shit, man! All I need is like one or two most of the tree folks. That's pretty much all I need. Though let's have an army of trees going after your players. Holy crap! And I do like these bugs that they're riding on too. And these must be some huge ass bugs as well. Oh, I like these two, like, at each other and stuff. Man, I think this one has missing its head. I think this has been chopped off. That's actually pretty cool. No, that's upside down. Never mind. Okay. That is interesting. Now we got some tree folklore. I think these are the bigger ones too. One with armor, shield, and sword. Whew, these guys are scary looking. Holy crap. Man. Man, woodland battles, man, have a corrupted, like a forest, or you just pissed off a druid, like a very powerful druid, and bring every freaking forest to life just to hunt your ass down. I think that would be pretty scary for a lot of stuff as well. But I'm gonna print a few of these because I just need a few of them. Just gotta pick out which one I really want. Holy crap, these are even bigger, aren't they? They're even taller. Put some moss and or some leaves all around the top because I don't like them bare branches. Because to me, if there's bare branches, I think they were like sickly trees. It might be like evil blight trees as well. And looks like we have a dragon with it as well. So it's going to be a forest dragon, so a green dragon for it. This looks pretty cool as well. For a skill, I don't know how big they're gonna get. Oh, we got a dryad on a beetle, a rhino beetle. Man, whew, that's a lot for $10. Yeah, that's a pretty damn good deal in my opinion. Artisan Guild. I don't think we have anything for Hello Dear Friends. Oh, July trailer. Yay for Artisan Guild. We're having orcs again. Just painted and built a lot of orcs. Black Croc orcs. Got some female and male orcs. Oh man. Man, I just printed some of the gray by two types of orcs, and I got bringing out more orcs. But gosh, shit, man, and these orcs looks pretty good too. Like every year, they outdo themselves with the same species, and it looks better and better. And the problem is, I have previous of them, and I'm like shit. But also, you could use probably proxy for this for your Age of Sigmar orcs and your old world orcs too. If they probably rescale it for your old world, I really don't know. But yeah, um, damn. I just built my orcs for the old world as well. It's like shit. That looks pretty damn cool. I got the shaman or the warlock. It kind of looks like Gul'dan. It looks like Hellscream right there. From that looks pretty dope paint job too. I might have to replace, probably make them Grog, the blue orcs. They're riding on the Manticore. And you got the pinups. Okay. You got pinup orcs right there. You got your the terrain pieces. That's actually pretty cool looking altar right there. We got some Apex, I believe that's what they call the gorillas with 4 arms. They're riding on it. Yeah, those guys will freaking rip your arms off. Holy shit. They always have to outdo themselves, don't they? So that's everything for it. And here's your bust. And your throwback bust. Okay, next one. Bite the bullet. We are getting, I think, more. This is July videos for it as well. Let's see here. We're getting ropers. I think hook horrors. We got the mushroom demon lord as well. And here's your throwback. Let's look at ropers. Ropers are cool, and they're not the CR you think in the monster manual. Hook horrors. Those guys are pretty cool. Okay, we got a scrambling mound. They're immune to electricity, and they'll actually gain health. And we got some big muckloids. I need to print some of these. We got some more of them too. I need to print some of these as well. And some spore mines. Yeah, gas spore pack. These are deadly when they get close to it. We got some intellect devours. Oh, we got some flumps. I believe one of you tried to put this in my game. Now I can print it. We got some Darrow's pack. I guess they're gnomes? Are they dark gnomes? Dark gnomes are bald. Oh, we got the fat dragon again. That's actually pretty cool. And we got the erotic part, the demon queen, demon mushroom. Plus NSF version. I don't need NSF version of it. It's a freaking mushroom. Okay, White Wolf Tavern. I think this is the July picks of it. We got Dry Lich, Crackle Sphinx. Why do we need a sentient cactus? Okay. Dust Blight. Infected Dryad. I think that's pretty cool to have. Desert Zombie. Meh. So that's what they have so far. they're going to have more later on. 5K was his Julie release, not July release. Last Sword miniatures. I think this will be the last one for the video. Just letting you guys know. This is gonna be June. I don't think they have one out for July. I think they do have some stuff out July. I know we're getting Bertolians for July. That's the elves. So we got some of the Bertolians for July for your old world for Last Sword miniatures. I got some pretty good stuff too, and stuff I have to buy for Games Workshop. So yeah, there might be some stuff from and I think they're from what you call it, from Bertolians. I think they're Bertolians. How they look. King Diet. They'll have more stuff out for that as well. Well, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.